Southern Chaos, Organizing the Southern Home, written by Martha Carroll Stewart and Lisa Hutchinson Clement, designed by Melinda Martin. That's me. What would you do if you weren't cleaning house, looking for lost items, and thinking about what's for dinner? Well, if you live in the South, there's a good chance you'd be sitting on a porch swing sipping a sweet iced tea while visiting with good friends. Southerners understand the importance of embracing life fully. We savor moments in time, just like we savor the rich flavors of our food and culture. Unfortunately, misplaced keys and wallets, lost library books, and unclean soccer uniforms lead to a whirlwind of chaos. But it doesn't have to be this way. Our 5-step chaos method will create time for that juicy gossip session with your bestie, the latest best-selling novel, or an afternoon nap. Let Lisa and Martha Carroll help you set up your home in a simple manner, make it easy to put things away, and have time for the best parts of life. And you won't have to get rid of all your stuff. Purchase your own copy at organizingsouthernchaos.com. Hi, I'm Melinda Martin, publishing facilitator and designer of quality books for kids and adults. If you're interested in publishing your own quality book, learn more at melindamartin.me.